I bought this A9 mini camera brand new. So in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing, setup, and also showing you how to connect to your phone. So here is the camera. It just came brand new and I haven't opened it yet. Look, just as I got it. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. This is how it came. It came with manual. It came with a USB charger. It comes with here is a mini stand. And here is the camera itself. It's a mini camera. Some people call it a spy camera. Right there is power on and off button. Right here is the mode. Here's the lens. Let me clean it a bit. Charging point. Just bring your charger. Plug it right here. If you plug it, you will see this mode will turn blue and be blinking. So here's the mini stand. How do you use it? For the mini stand, you can bring the camera, then you can remove this other one here, and then here is magnetic. Just place it here, it clicks, you can see. So for the bottom here, you will have to remove this ceiling. Under here is a gun. Look, you see, it's very sticky. So if you remove this one here, you can take it and then either keep it anywhere. It will gum it very strong. You see, so this is how you can assemble it. Just that. So now how do we connect the camera to our phone and start using it? It's very simple. Let me remove this one from here. So just come here to the power button here. Just press and hold it for some seconds. Okay, right now you can see that the mode is blinking, means it's on. Look, then look at the manual right here. One side contains the English version while the other side contains the Chinese version. So how do you connect to your phone? Just bring your phone. For instance, here's my Android phone. If you bring your phone, here's the QR code and here's the app YsxLite. You can find it on Play Store or App Stores, and here's the QR code you can scan on your phone to download the app. Now let's see. I'll bring my phone here, my phone camera. Go to the QR code, then let's scan it and see. See, I get this QR code here. I tap right here, then it takes me online. It's still loading. Okay, if it loads, you get this. Just come here, you can see. Just come here and tap on this download. Look at download. Just tap here. It opens. You can see. So you can come here and tap on this app download. Then it brings you here, and you can scroll down. And there are 3 ways you can get the app. You can tap here and go to App Store and install the app. You can tap here and go to Google Play Store and install the app, or you can tap on this download for Android and download on the site. So at this point, I will tap on this Google Play Store and go to Play Store to install the app. Okay, it takes me to Play Store because here's the app YsxLite. Because I've installed the app already, you just install the app and then tap and open it. Tap and open to open the app. If you open the app for the first time, you will get this pop-up. You can see allow YsxLite to access this device's location. Just tap on this allow only while using the app. Then tap on this allow again. And you can see it just brings you to the app interface just like that. There's nothing more you will do. this is how the app works. So you can see, since the camera here is on, you can see the mode button here is blinking, showing that it's on. So just come here and tap on this add new device. So this camera here has an inbuilt hotspot. Once you just get it on, the hotspot will be active. You can see. So, and also you can put a memory card. I forgot to tell you, look, this space here, this space right here, you can put a memory card, but you can use it to view live or to have a live view without a memory card, but it won't record and store. So that's what we'll be doing right now. We'll be having a live view of this camera without memory card. So if you get here, you can see here access camera directly or add device by Bluetooth. So to have a live view, come here and tap on this second option here, access camera directly. Tap here. If you tap right here, you can see there's no SD card. Just tap here. If you tap right here, then they will take you to your phone to enable your Wi-Fi. As I said, the camera there, the hotspot is already on. So once I enable my Wi-Fi here, it will search and find the camera. Look, here's the camera. You can see automatically it has connected to my phone, to my Wi-Fi, just like that. Because once you just on the camera, the hotspot, the internal hotspot will be on automatically. So right now I have connected the camera. So I will tap and go back to the app. So right now on the app, you can see I have been connected. Look here, I'm connected. So I'll tap on this, access this device. So if I tap on it, you can see right now it's on. I can view live. Look, if I turn it, you can see I'm viewing live. I can show my face. Here's my face. You can see I'm actually viewing live, just like that. It's very simple to set up for the first time. You can see, but right now, because there's no memory card, I can't actually save this live footage. I can just only view it live. So as I said, you can add your SD card right here at the space here provided here. Here's the charging port, you can see. So it's very simple to set up. Also to allow speaker or audio, just come here and tap here and toggle this on. Just tap on this enable, then give it permission, require, give it a permission, microphone permission, allow, then go back, enable it. You can see right now if I speak, I believe you can hear the sound. Yeah, you can hear it, right? So that was it. It's very simple to actually set up and connect to your phone. So here's the camera as I can show myself. So that is it. And in my next video, I'll do a review and show you how the camera, the battery lasts and other things, or my experience so far using it. So guys, for now, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.